Hey guys, so I'm really excited today because my new switch has turned up from Tunto, and I thought that before opening it I would show you guys what it's all about. So I've got my Kasambi app set up here as well. I'm going to really get the switch out of the box. I'm going to get it set up and show it working with my Kasambi network at home. Get this in this packaging. It's a very nice box, and it's probably one of the best presented switches for Kasambi that I think I've seen. So let's get this out of here. You can see this is still sealed. I haven't actually opened this yet, so I thought I'd share it with you guys. So let's get this out of here. Okay. So in particular I want to say thanks to the guys at Tunto for sending this to me. And yeah, you'll be able to get your very own from Holders Technology in the UK and Germany. We've got here, Tunto Ocean Switch is a stylish, intuitive, reliable and ready-to-use solution for all kinds of switching and dimming. It can be mounted on the desired surface or operated as a handheld device. It works wirelessly and without a battery, getting its energy from the push of the switch, and it's able to control multiple devices and lighting modes at the same time, however you want to program it. Fantastic. So we all know about Kasambi. So here we go, beautifully presented. Look at that. It's like a gem, isn't it? Wow, okay. So it's a lot smaller than a lot of the Kasambi enabled switches that I'm used to seeing. Obviously they tend to come with a much larger frame around the outside, but this is incredibly sleek and jewel-like. And you can see this is with the twin black rockers and then the gold-plated frame with real knife edge design to the housing. Beautiful, fantastic, and a nice matte finish as well. So yeah, obviously not scratch resistant, but certainly going to prevent scratches from showing up if it's being handled as well. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to add this into my Kasambi home network. So let's just see how we do this. Obviously, so we want to go to switches and oops, we want to add a new Ocean switch. So we should be able to, there we go, fantastic. So we just added that one in. So I think that's this one here, here we go. And what we'll do is we'll set this up to control the luminaire. So I'm actually in my spare room at the minute, so we'll set it to control this one here. There we go, done, just on button 1. And we should, you might have just seen the change in the light quality there as we switch that on and off. Isn't that beautiful? Anyway guys, I just wanted to share that with you. So this is the new Kasambi enabled Ocean switch from Tunto, available from Holders Technology. Thank you, see you soon, bye.